Hey everyone, it's Jenifer Salter with your Elect team and eXp Realty, and I am so excited to show you this home located at 5014 Country Day Drive in Zebulon. If you've been looking for space, privacy, and storage, this home sits on 1.26 acres at the end of a peaceful cul-de-sac. Inside, the main level has a warm and inviting living space with a brick fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. You'll love the open flow into the dining area and the kitchen. The kitchen was refreshed in 2025 with new cabinet doors and updated finishes, giving it a clean and classic look. This home has 3 bedrooms on the main level, plus 3 full bathrooms, which is such a valuable layout. And upstairs, you'll find a bonus room and 2 additional rooms. So the home easily lives like a 5-bedroom. Whether you need home offices, guest space, hobby rooms, or playrooms, you'll have the flexibility to make it work for your lifestyle. And for my storage lovers, this house has a massive walk-in attic. This is the kind of storage space people dream of. Holiday decor, bins, Costco hauls, everything has a place. Outside, you get 2 large accessory buildings with electricity. These are perfect for a workshop, business equipment, woodworking, hobby space, storage, anything you need. And the lot, it's just stunning, peaceful, private, and full of possibility. Homes like this don't come up very often. If you'd like to schedule a private tour of 5014 Country Day Drive, message me today. I'd love to show you around. If you've been searching for peace land and a home that actually gives you room, this might be the one.